Okay, so this is a different format video here because I don't typically do voiceover videos, but I really just wanted to quickly make my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 book cover keyboard. So this is the official complete accessory to the Galaxy Tab S7 by Samsung. And I grabbed this when I was buying the tablet itself, simply because the Tab S7 is a productivity tablet and you just kind of have to dress it in a way that will enable you to truly enjoy its full potential. Now let's quickly unbox this baby here, and as you can anticipate, it's going to be a very simple unboxing given that these are just accessories. So after peeling or ripping this back cover off, we can see the back of the keyboard. This whole very compact setup and folio look that you see here is essentially what it will be looking like once you put the tablet in it, or once you have the tablet attached to both the keyboard and the back cover here. So this top here is the back cover, and this is actually a pretty nice material here. It feels pretty sturdy, at least at first glance, and it doesn't feel cheap at all, which is of course reflected on the price tag. This thing actually goes for a steep $200, but if like me, you bought it at the same time as you bought the tablet itself, you probably enjoyed that very nice discount Samsung offered. So you have the Samsung logo right there, and next to it is the pocket that houses the S Pen, and right above that you have the camera cutout. Now putting this to the side here, we're going to see what the keyboard is packing. Again, very nice material also, and just like the back cover, it doesn't feel cheap. Actually kind of a semi-premium feel, the type of feel that you would get from an Apple keyboard and trackpad. And also the keys here are pretty nice. It truly reminds me of an Apple keyboard. The whole thing actually feels lighter than it looks, and it's also pretty small for my huge hands. Anyways, we have a pretty smooth back here, and overall the keyboard feels pretty solid. Now, $200 worth solid? I'm not too sure about that, but you know, I get to play with that and I'll be able to tell you in my full review of both the tablet and this keyboard what I think. So we have the magnet and the connectors on the side here so that you can attach to the tablet, and as you can see here, they do line up properly with those on the tablet itself. Finally, we have the booklet or manual here to the accessories. Okay, so let's go ahead and start dressing that tablet here, and so far I've done it a couple of times already, and it seems like the best way to do this is to line up the back cover camera cutout first, as you see here, and then the rest of the cover will follow and attach in place. And we can do something a little similar to the keyboard also here. You just kind of line up the connectors on both the keyboard and the tablet first, then the magnet pulls both together and snap them in. So you see here, you can just now lift this flap in order to access the S Pen. The back cover here can be moved to different angles, and I believe all the way to about 165 degrees. One thing I'm already noticing is that it's a little hard to open. Obviously, they're not sitting really loose on the tablet, so you kind of have to dig in your fingernails in there to create a little bit of space so that you can create some type of separation to get the magnet to let go. Other than that, it does feel pretty firm as a portable machine overall with those accessories attached. I did just a little bit of navigating the internet so far and navigating through the apps, and I've also tried tapping on it a little, and so far the keyboard feels pretty nice typing with. It does hit pretty softly, no crazy loud typing sounds. The trackpad also feels pretty smooth. I have larger hands, so it does feel a little weird using this, but I'm sure I get used to it. Obviously, you can still use the S Pen here and it still works great. You just put it at whatever angle you want to use it in and you are ready to roll. I gotta tell you this though, that Dex Works Wonders on this machine. It is just so seamless. It's kind of a really seamless transition from a tablet to a Dex mode or computer mode. I'll tell you all about that in my full review of this tablet. And then you can remove the keyboard and just use the back cover as a stand if you would like. That'll be for like your media content, or you can put it in a different angle so that you can use the S Pen. Overall, I like it for everything that it can enable you to do with this tablet. I'm going to fully test this and see if it actually deserves that $200 price tag, at least to my eyes. I still need to go ahead and confirm that. $200 is pretty steep. But anyways, I hope this video was informative. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, of course. I'm going to catch you in the comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Up until then, stay safe out there.